Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of the YouTube channel Rugged Medicine. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the components of my EDC trauma kit that's in my everyday commuter bag that I made myself from components I ordered online. Let's have a look and see what's in there. So here is the kit that I've been talking about. This is the size of the trauma kit I carry with me at all times when going to work, as it's just in my commuter bag. I don't always have this in my pocket. Very compactly packaged. This is simply some durable kitchen packaging, and it's all been packaged up with a vacuum sealer. Therefore, even if I get wet in the typical British weather, the kit won't actually get soaked. Within the kit are multiple components, some of which you can already identify, but let's tear it open and have a proper look. So there's an H-vent made by H&H Medical Corporation, a chest seal with a valve. We have a pair of nitrile gloves, non-sterile of course. Packet of good old quick-lot combat gauze. A swat-t tourniquet, which is much more compact than most of the other one with a windlass on it. However, not always as easy to use if you've never practiced with it. And here we have just a Sharpie or any type of other permanent marker so you can make notes on the actual packaging about anything you want to remember, and of course to note the tourniquet time on the actual tourniquet. Instructions are on the back, but of course, as always, practice with the equipment before you use it. That way you know what it actually does, how it works the best. And as always, I don't think I have to mention this, but just to be sure, please only use this kit if you've got the appropriate training for it. I have not yet used this chest seal, but I bought two of them, so one of them I'm going to sacrifice for practice purposes, and then of course this one is going to stay within my actual kit. And all of this together probably only weighs 250-300 grams, so it's quite lightweight. And will it cover all eventualities of trauma? No, it won't, but this is just a basic one that is so compact I can just keep it in my laptop bag. As always, I'll also put the links in the description so you guys can see where I got this kit and who the manufacturers are, the specifications and so on. There is currently a lot of talk about the development of other combat gauze style dressings, so haemostatic agents, but currently this was the ideal one and the most compact one I could find. And as I've been trained in using combat gauze, I prefer to use equipment that I know very well compared to something that I have not yet had any chance to practice with. So that was just a quick summary of the items I carry around with me every day. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't done so, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.